Hi, I just wanted to show how I did this. These are like little, I guess, Scrabble pieces, but this one has, I don't know why it says Christmas, but okay. So I go like this. I'm using Fabric-tac. Oh, Fabric-tac. I just line it up where it's overhanging like that. And then I'm going to take another one that I already did. Alright, we're going to use this one. This is a huge sander, but okay. Looks pretty good. Right there. Yeah. Then I used this dimensional magic from Podge. Don't shake it or you'll get bubbles. This is how I did it. Whoa, don't move, don't move, don't move. Just to hold it in place. Oh no, a bubble. Crap. Oh no, oh no, what do we do now? Oh no. I'm experimenting. Just make sure it gets to the edge. And then, let's see if this fixes it. I don't know if it will. I've never had a bubble show up like that. There, it went away, yay! And then you gotta let it sit for 24 hours. These are the ones I've done. I used, what are these called? Domino pieces. Oh yeah, I did this one. I got these blocks, and I cut out pieces on it and sanded it off. And I actually used the distressed ink on the edges. And then this is the first one. I was gonna wait 24 hours. That's the first one I did, so it looks a little bubbly. It's alright though. It's okay. It's okay. I thought those were cute. Oh, is that upside down? Yes, it is. Anyways, it says to let it sit for 24 hours. So that's what I'm doing. It's so fun. Something to do. I mean, I have a lot to do, but this is something else to do that I like. Bye.